Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you how to sew a senator collar. That's for a sapphire senator. So right now I've marked out the piece for it after measuring my neck. So this is 1.3 by 18.5. So now, as you can see, this is 1.3 by 18.5. So I'm trimming out ½ inch below, and then I curve the edge of the other side. So this is basically the only pattern or the only alteration you make to the straight line you cut, which is the box you cut of 1.3 or 1.25 inch by 18, or by whatever measurement you are using. So on the second part here, you will make it a bit bigger. This one is 2.6 inches by, you reduce 2 inches from the initial length, which is from the length of the other pattern. So right now we'll curve it by ½ inch, and this place we'll curve it by 1/4 inch. I'll still bring the camera closer for you to see. Yes, so this is it. You just trim it off, the first one by ½ inch, the other one by 1/4 inch. Sorry, I have to pin it down so it can be stable to cut. So take your time when cutting it. Don't be in a hurry, don't rush it, just take your time. Make sure you follow the line accurately, and you know the gum will be dancing, so you have to hold it very well to get it well. So right now we'll notch the center. So right now you get a fabric or get the material, then gum it to it. I'll do that quickly and then come back to the video. So as you can see, I've gummed it. I've gummed the bigger piece and the smaller piece. So right now this is a little edge, what will I say, a little addition on the edge. Just the same color gum, the same thick color gum, you cut an extra piece, just short like this, and add to the edges to make it stronger, so that it won't start rolling after you've washed it a few times. You will notice even already made puts something at those particular places, like a plastic or something. So that is it. And then on this particular one, after gumming it, you fold it down. You fold down the allowance on this other side down. This will be on the edge that will be on the neck. So press it down. And then afterwards we'll be going to the machine to start the sewing. So we are here. So on this particular place you've pressed down, you top stitch it by ½ inch or 0.4. You can equally top stitch 1/4 inch, anyhow you want. Just make sure there's a top stitch there, and then after that, the next is to sew this particular piece. After sewing it, I turned it inwards and then top stitched on it like 1/4 inch all around. So guys, it's pretty easy to do. So something happened here actually. I observed that I didn't trim the gum to the exact edge. So guys, I forgot to trim it earlier, sorry. So you have to trim this gum to the exact edge of the collar gum so that your neck will be standing well. So after I've done that, I top stitched on the down to make it close. Then I shape off the excess allowance. So guys, if you have watched this video to this very moment and you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so please. Turn on your notification bell so that you become part of our family. Whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to get it. So guys, on this channel we post steadily everything about fashion. We do it here. So guys, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss out on any information. So right now I'll be sewing the other part of the collar, the lower part of the collar. So now you create a notch at the center of the fabrics. Then place this one and place the other part on it. Just the same way I arrange it like this. Make sure you get it. So right now I've trimmed the edge of this smaller piece, this smaller collar piece. I've trimmed it with 1/4 inch, the edges. So I will now sew on that 1/4 inch all around the collar gum. So make sure you create a line on the edge of the stuff so that you can know where it ends, to avoid climbing the collar. So now we'll trim out the edges, the excess, then we'll turn it inwards. Then I'll take it to the table, press it and bring it back, which I've done that. Then I shaped it with 1/2 inch all around, and I created a notch at the center of the collar and it's at the center of the shirt. This notch will serve as a guidance. When I get to that particular point, I will make sure that it aligns together. So when you are sewing, please pay close attention to that notch, because if it doesn't match when you get to the center, that means whatever you're sewing there will not match. So you have to make sure the two notch aligns together at the center before you proceed. If it doesn't, you lose it and do the needful. So guys, we are already getting to the end of the video. As you can see, my methods are easy and simple. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. And this is the Sapphire series that has been on. So I have previous videos already on this, from the cutting process of this particular cloth to the dressing of it, the sewing of it. Every particular thing was recorded. So I want you to take your time and go through it. The playlist will be added at the end of this video. You can click on the playlist and watch the other videos that are attached to it. Thank you. So guys, you flip it over and then you top stitch to close the collar. Make sure you pay attention to all the details there. Make sure you cover the sewing line, like the sewing line that is inside. Make sure it's covered while you are sewing it. Top stitch exactly at the edge. So guys, I want you to pay close attention to the end of this video. I want to show you something very important on how to press it. So right now you still do the same 1/4 inch sewing all around the collar, and then we'll be ironing it together so that you see the right way to iron it. Some people make the mistake of ironing their collar at the edge of the sewing or at the edge of the joining line, which is very bad, because when you wear a shirt or a collar, the edge should not be displayed. So you make sure you leave at least 1/4 inch on the other side, like the way it is in the video. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.